Hello learners, how are you all? I think you all are fine and doing great and amazing things in your life. So, today is our day 20 of English speaking challenge. And from last 19 days, we are consistently improving our English speaking. We are reading books and we are writing some articles, and we are also practicing of English speaking, how we can improve our English speaking. So from last 19 to 20 days I am just improving, I am just giving some value from different things. So this is our 20-day of English speaking challenge. So today I have something which I am going to show you on my laptop screen. So how we can read any article, and then how we can improve our vocabulary every day by reading. We are not going to only get some words and then see the meanings. How gradually we can improve the vocabulary from the articles, from reading the articles, because this is the technique which I got from somewhere. So I think I have to share with you all. So let's come and we are going to talk about it. So come on my laptop screen. So now I am on my laptop screen, and let's start reading what we are going to see today. How we can improve our vocabulary with practical way. So I have written some words there in my sheet, like symptoms: pale, ache, dizzy, sharpish, diet, food, food poisoning, fair, unhygienic, and prescribing. So from where I have written all these words? I have written all these words from this website, Byju's.com. So what we have to do every day, we have to just find some conversation, and related to that conversation we have to find some words which we are going to practice, which we are going to enhance our English speaking. So I have opened this website, and there I have written the conversation between doctor and a patient. Conversation between doctor and patient. So what is there? Conversations between doctors and their patients are most often serious discussions about the symptoms of a sickness, or the improvement in health after a particular surgery or course of medication. For this same reason, it is important to maintain the tone and seriousness of the discussion when you are waiting a conversation between a doctor and a patient. Language here is more formal, and there might be a lot of medical terms used. So make sure you carefully mention them in the conversation. Check out the following conversation samples to have a better understanding of how you have to write a conversation between a doctor and patient. So there are three types of conversation we are going to read first. Like I started reading from there. Simple conversation one: conversation between doctor and patient about fever. Patient: good morning, doctor. May I come in? Doctor: good morning. How are you? You do look quite pale this morning. So we are reading this, and now I got this word pale, and I don't know the meaning of this word. So what I have to do, I have to just copy this word, and I have to open my sheet, or otherwise you can open also your notebook. Then you have to write this word pale, and also I have written the symptoms here because there was one word also. So symptoms, I think there is a symptom somewhere. Yeah, this is a symptom. So I have also written this word. So pale, I don't know the meaning of this. So what I have to do, I have to just write there, and just I have to write there. And what I have to do, I have to just copy this word, Then you have to come in this dictionary, Merriam-Webster. So what you have to do, you have to just search the word in that dictionary. This is a very amazing dictionary. You will see everything. Pale. You can see also the pronunciation of the word. You can also see the pronunciation of this word, and this is an adjective word, and the meaning of this word is deficient in color or intensity of color. So what you have to do, you have to just write the meaning there: deficient in color or intensity of color. Color. So we have to just read the whole paragraph. Patient, yes, doctor, I have not been feeling well for the past few days. I, I have been, I have been having a stomach ache. Also, the don't know the meaning of ache for a few days and feeling a bit dizzy since yesterday. Doctor, okay, let me check. Applies pressure on the stomach and neck and checks for pain. Does it hurt here? Does it hurt here? Patient, yes doctor, the pain here is the sharpest. वो बोल रहा है बहुत तेज पेन हो रहा है यहाँ पे sharpest. Doctor, well, you are suffering from a stomach infection. That's the reason you are having a stomach ache and also getting dizzy. Two words, ache, and second is dizzy. Did you change your diet recently or have something unhealthy? डॉक्टर पूछ रहा है उससे. Patient, actually I went to a fair last week and ate food from the stalls there. Doctor, okay, so you are probably suffering from food poisoning since the food stalls in fair are quite unhygienic. Here is a high chance There is a high chance those uncovered food might have focused food poisoning. Patient, I think I will never eat from any unhygienic place in the future. Doctor, that's good. I am prescribing some medicines. Have them for 1 week and come back for a checkup next week. And please try to avoid spicy and fried food for now. Patient, okay doctor, thank you. Doctor, welcome. So this is the whole conversation, and what we have to do, we have to just start reading loudly, and whatever the words we don't know, we have to just write down their words. And what we are going to do, symptoms like evidence of disease or physical disturbance. So I'm going to write the meaning, I'm going to use the sentence like, I think I have some symptoms of fever. And the second word, you are looking pale today. Everything is okay? You are suffering from ache. Last how many days? Are you feeling dizzy from the morning? Are you feeling sharpest pain there? Take good diet for your healthy life. So I have written all these words there to understand how we can improve our vocabulary. So this is the best way to read the articles, any articles we can find, or otherwise you can go also to read any news. Like what you have to do, you have to just open the Google and you have to go there. Let's open it. You have to go there, news, Google News. You have to open the Google News, and you are going to pick up any news, whatever news you like, or you have to just pick up any news. Let's open this news. So this is a news. Noida man 20 arrested for death threat to Salman Khan, Zishan Siddiqui. Police sources said Zishan Siddiqui's office had received messages threatening Salman Khan and the MLA of death unless they paid a ransom. So this is the news which you can start reading from there. There, Noida, a 20-year-old man has been arrested from Noida over death threats to actor Salman Khan and Zishan Siddiqui, MLA and son of NCP Ajit Pawar. Leaders Bapa Siddiqui, who was shot dead on October 12th. Mumbai police have taken Gufran Khan into custody and shifted him on a transit remand. So this is the news which you can start reading. So thank you for today and we will meet in next video. So thanks for today.